is our very first puppy to go home. Is Mr. Black, and you're all wet. We need to get in the bath. They've been playing. Everybody gets over there and drinks the water and gets water all over each other. Who's ready? You get to go home tomorrow. Yeah, and you get to go home today too. Yes, you do. All right, so you'll get a bath in a second, but we need to start with Mr. Black. Now it's your turn. You want to get a bath? Do you want to get a bath? Not you, your brother. So Mr. No Collar gets picked up in about an hour, but Mr. Black Collar, your dad is almost here. He's almost here. Oh my goodness. I know. It's gonna be so much fun. I know. I told you your dad was gonna come. I told you. Not you. You have to wait. I know. He's over here. Go see him. I'm gonna steal No Collar for a second. I know. You gotta see Dad. Hey, buddy. There he is. They always do that. Yeah.
Hey. Hey. You see all those? Can I pick them up?
Yes, yeah. Very sweet puppies. So I don't know if it's because we've done so many baths and blow dries on this litter because Mom was not a good mom. Mm-hmm. They did so good. They just did fantastic.
In terms of like just the water and the
yeah, blow drying and everything. No fuss. What do you think, Mr. Man? Is that your new dad? Yeah. I told you he was coming.
Yeah. Look at you.
Alright. We get to go home, huh? You're a good boy.
Say bye to Billy.
Bye, handsome. You be a good boy. Have fun with your brother and your new dad. Yeah. All right. So now it's your turn. Your mom and dad should be here any minute. I know. Do you remember meeting them already? You already met them and they picked you out. Yes, they loved you. And I don't blame them, because you are a sweet, sweet boy. Yes, you are. A sweet, sweet boy. I love you. Is this your baby? Hey, is this your baby? In your blanket? Yeah? Is that your stuff? I know. I love you. Good boy. I told you they were coming.
Hi, buddy.
I told you. I said, do you remember you already met your mom and dad and they picked you out?
Hi, buddy.
He is a good boy.
Hi.
Well, we're down to 2 names.
Oh yeah, what is that?
Arlo
Yeah?
or Ruger.
Oh, I love both of them.
Ah.
I love both of them. Hey, handsome. No, not me. You gotta come see your new mom and dad again.
Well, I'm glad I'm tasty. Yes.
I know you're not supposed to have favorites, but he's my favorite, and I'll say that on video because he is a very sweet, sweet boy. Him's a good boy, I know. I told him, you're my favorite. Yeah.
Hi. I know, thank you.
Oh, kisses!
Okay. You ready to come home? Oh, now we're gonna be bashful.
All right, mister.
Thank you very much.
You are so welcome. It was nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
Hey, are you ready to go home?
I'll tell you when you say hello.
I will, thank you. Oh, are you ready? Are you ready? I know I missed you. We'll miss you so much. Yes, I am. I'm gonna miss you. All right, mister. You be a good boy.
Bye.
You be a good boy, okay? All right, let's get situated with Daddy. Oh, there we go. All right, now it's your turn. Oh my goodness, look how dirty your face is. That's from food. Food and treats. What do you think, kids? Are you ready? You look just like your dad. You look just like your dad. Let's get ready. My girl did a fantastic job on our table. Good girl. Good job. I'm so excited. Her's a good girl. Her's a good girl.
Boy, she is.
There's my pretty girl.
Oh, goodness. Can I pick her up?
Yes, yeah.
Oh, hello.
She is so sweet. You have no idea how bad we wanted to keep her.
Oh.
She's the best girl.
Oh, she's pretty cute.
Has a good disposition.
She does. She's very sweet, yeah. Yeah.
Do you want to see that?
Ours is pretty laid back, but she's spoiled rotten.
Yeah?
Oh,
Oh my goodness, you laying on Daddy's shoulder?
that's a good girl.
Oh my
Yeah,
goodness.
she's a sweet girl. Yes, she is. She's a
Oh
sweet
my
girl.
goodness gracious.
Hey guys. Oh.
You're okay.
They look like they've been socialized.
Oh, yes. Here, you're okay. As long as he's behind me, he feels like he's fine. Come here. Okay, stay.
He is a good boy.
Stay. You're a good boy. I know.
He is a good boy.
I know. He wants to be wherever Mom is. And then Dave, he just loves look at him, big old flirt. He wants you to scratch his butt.
Which one's Dave?
The dark one.
Okay.
Look at him. He wants his butt scratched.
Yeah, ours has faded to about her color.
Yeah.
Oh,
So he sheds. So that's why he's dark.
oh,
Because
okay.
he sheds, yeah.
Gotcha.
Hi, baby.
That's Gabby.
How much will she shed?
She's got really great eyelashes. So if you see how long her eyelashes are, so I don't think she sheds at all. Mm-mm.
Okay.
I mean, I did like the pool test and stuff, and she doesn't have any.
Okay. Our golden doesn't shed.
So Gabby, she's 13 and a half.
Oh, wow.
That's Ariel's grandma,
And how old is he?
7.
7. He's got gray eyes.
I
He's a good
know.
boy. He's a good boy.
He is a
He
good
is.
boy.
Oh.
Hi.
Hey, Laura.
Oh, she loves you, Lizzie.
Laura.
What do you think, Lizzie?
Hey, this dog right here, Gabby,
Oh,
she is Allie's, she's Allie's great-grandmother.
Great-great-grandmother.
Great-great-grandmother. There you go.
take a picture. She
Yeah,
kind of looks like her.
Yeah.
Not really.
Elise, what do you think?
That we're gonna be best
Is
friends.
it okay? Oh, she's so chill.
She is, yeah.
Yeah, Billy says she's just a great pup.
I took a lot of pictures. I'll send them to you. I took a lot of pictures after getting her ready.
Oh, my God.
See, she is just relaxed.
Look, y'all.
Look, y'all.
All right, pretty girl. You'll be good, okay? I'll have to get some videos and stuff once you get back with your other girl and see how y'all do together. You're a good girl. Yeah. So today is our second day of puppy pickup with Cece and Todd's Medium Bernedoodles. So the white puppy is actually Emma's puppy, but we've got Miss Pink, who's reserved, and then we have Miss Yellow. But the one who is getting Miss Pink wants to see Emma's purple. Kind of confusing. But Miss Yellow goes home in just a minute. Her family should be here anytime. And then the family for our sweet Miss Pink down there gets to hang out with both of these girls. I know. Sweet thing. So we'll see you when Miss Yellow's family gets here. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Her sleeping.
You're so cute.
What's her doing down there? There's your mom again, remember? There's your mama.
Hello, Isla. She's showing me. Hey, pretty girl.
Do you think she's gonna be bigger or smaller? Or?
I think she's gonna be bigger than her brother.
Yeah.
For sure.
You've grown a lot since your mom was here last time.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Are you a sleepy girl? Are you a sleepy girl? This is Isla.
Nice to meet you. I'm your dad.
You get to see your dad for the first time. Oh my goodness.
You're so sweet.
She said she's definitely one of the spunkier ones.
She is a spunky one for sure. What are you doing?
Beautiful. I love the different shades of brown. Her
I
legs
know
have like a different
it.
shape in her face. It's
I
so
know.
I like that her brown is red.
cute.
Yeah.
Well, you're just very
Pretty
sweet.
girl.
Are you excited to meet your new brother?
I cannot wait. And actually, so even like this is the first time they were with this other puppy, the white one, and they just lay down and did fine. So so she'll do fine with another dog too.
Yeah,
So
he's very sweet. He loves other dogs.
yeah, you'll have to send me
He's
some.
obsessed. Yeah.
You have to send me some videos of them together. Oh,
sweet girl.
she is a good girl.
Very expressive eyes. Blue was beluga. That's certain.
Oh, yeah?
He became beluga.
She's a little whale.
Hey, darling, you're gonna be a good girl. You're gonna be a good girl.
She's got very expressive eyes.
I told you, she's very attentive.
She's so pretty.
All right, now we are down to 2 getting seen today, my sweet babies. Her eyes are so expressive. So I know the family was interested in seeing her because this was actually the puppy that they fell in love with. But she's the one that has the overbite. But it's not horrible. I think that it's gonna be fine. Yes, I do. So this tooth is more on the normal side, but then this one is base narrow. So, but I think her mouth has adjusted a lot, and I do think that it's only gonna get better as her adult teeth come in. Yes, I do. I love her, she's so sweet. But I do think they're gonna take her just for the fact that there's nothing wrong. Yeah, I wish you didn't have that because you're so pretty. But I think she'll be fine. And I get the doubt for sure. Was I hugging you? Yes, I was hugging you.
Hi.
You come say hi.
Oh, you are beautiful puppy. Little puppy. Hi. Yeah.
This is so hard.
Cutie. Oh.
Hello, sweetheart.
There's that submissiveness. There's that submissive girl.
Oh my
You hear all my dogs under the door sniffing. Oh, too
God.
funny.
Hey, you?
Oh, tell
I
him.
know.
You tell him.
I know. Oh.
She seems super excited. I'd be careful of picking her up right yet. Let her just get used because she might tinkle on you. So,
Oh.
but she has it. Knock on wood. I just know
You know
that
what?
position.
I'm a-
when
Yeah.
I just
Submission.
yeah. But she's not done it like to us
Yeah.
or anything. But
Yeah,
then
yeah.
again, she doesn't really act that way towards us. So, but she's so sweet.
She is. How's that? How the teeth? Are they
One
coming
tooth
in?
is
One
fine,
came in,
you know.
lined up right?
Yep.
That's
Yep.
good.
And then the other one is, you know, she still has the overbite. You know, the other one is a base narrow. So.
Oh my gosh.
What do you? I mean, you're welcome to pick her up if you want. Just she
Yeah,
might.
our Labradoodle was home for about 5 years and she got
Really?
excited.
Yeah.
Just like a little bit. And it's like you got used to
This
it.
is the other guy. It's like, who's that?
Hi,
Oh,
I'm
look
gonna
at the
pick you
nice
up in just a
picture.
second. I just want to make sure you're all good, sweetheart.
doing?
Oh my god. Okay. What a journey this has been. Alright, I'm gonna pick you up.
Okay.
Yeah, come on. Let's
Can
go.
I pick you up? Can I pick you up? Oh yeah, you like my crystal necklace and bracelets?
There
I know. so cute.
Sure.
You're so
You're such a
cute.
cute
I
puppy.
know, baby.
Yeah.
She has like such soulful eyes,
Mhm.
you know.
So peaceful, Kate. So peaceful. Oh gosh.
She's a snuggle bug.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
She didn't know she's gonna get alone time. We had both of them in here all morning.
What is going on? What? Where's your little lip? Where's your little lip? Hello. Oh my goodness. So cute.
Yeah.
Never ever have we thought of getting 2 dogs until last week. And I've been not sleeping for 7
Billy,
days.
not fair.
Billy makes the best dogs. Everybody.
Oh my goodness.
Beautiful home. Oh my god. I'm done. The cute fuss is not
Hey,
real.
yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, hi, I'm done. I'm
They're
finished.
both
I'm gonna
cute.
pass it
I
right now.
know.
Oh my god, love it. This is really nice.
The whole reason I got the couch was for the back, so Dave
Where did
so
you
Dave
get
could
this?
lay back there.
Where did you get this?
Yeah.
Where did we get the couch?
Ashley furniture.
Ashley's, yeah.
Yeah, that's perfect.
She's stressing out so bad, I probably have to put her back outside.
No, she's not. He's kidding. She's so relaxed.
So always
Oh, okay. I'm like, well, you did a good wave into the camera.
Yes.
I was like, oh my gosh, look at you. Oh, unbelievable. Peter, I don't know what we're going to do. Oh, yeah, she's a little bit nervous to leave her hands. She's heart. No?
She's not,
Her
no.
heart's beating a little bit.
Well, you back, pretty girl. All right, so today is the 3rd day of pickup of Cece and Todd's litter of Bernedoodles, and this boy is going home today. So what do you think? Are you ready? We need to get you bathed and trimmed up and ready to go. Are you ready? All right. Okay, so you just saw Mr. Gray get all ready to go to his new home, and he is ready. The family should be here in about 25 minutes. So they came and visited and picked him out. They actually had first pick of the males, and they picked you. So they came at 5.5 weeks old. At 6 weeks old, we went to the vet, and he had that sty on his eye. So they visited on a Saturday. Of course, Sunday, Monday came, he had the sty. I don't know where that came from, but I showed you guys in the last video. We've been putting medicine on it, and it's almost gone. So we're so happy about that. Just like people, they can get styes and stuff too. So this is our last puppy that is a sold puppy that already has a home. So what we're gonna do for our next video is we have actually a high school here that had Rookie come to visit. So he was the therapy dog for Rutherford County Sheriff's Department, and they were interested in getting a therapy dog for their high school. So we said, we've got the puppies for you. So they're gonna come and visit 2 of the puppies. So that'll be the next video. So that means we will have 4 puppies still available in this litter. So we will do a video on them soon. But this will end this video after this puppy goes home. What do you think, Daddy Waddy? You're such a good boy. I know, we love you. You're a good dad. You're a good dad. And Gabby Girl and Dave, we're just having a good time. Here you go.
Oh my gosh.
You think he's a lot bigger than last time?
Gosh, yes, he's like gotten 2 or 3 inches bigger.
Yes.
You are so
He loves to be held. So I did have him in this area while I was doing stuff, and he was whining, and I picked him up and he would stop.
Oh,
Typical puppy.
Sure. Oh, okay.
Happy tears. Oh, well, good. He is a good boy, though. He's a very good boy.
Oh, he's so sweet.
He is very sweet.
Here.
Say goodbye.
All right, are we getting ready to leave? Huh? Dad's getting the car set up. Oh my goodness gracious. You be a good boy, okay? I know, you be a good boy. I love you. You be a good boy. You be a good boy, okay?
It'll just be a couple of days till you know that you get to all the house to yourself. No more having to share. Yeah.
Guys, how we doing? Yeah, Mom. How you doing, Baloo? Baloo, come. Come. Sit. Good boy. That's a good boy. Good job. Isla, are you so tired from playing? Yeah. Oh, are you so tired from playing with your brother?
Sit. Can you go down? Baby. Down. Good girl. Oh, so smart.